Hey everybody, it's Darren Amato here at AMBRO Manufacturing in Flemington, New Jersey. And behind me, Claudia is setting up our blanket press to do some custom fundraising blankets. We do a lot of work with schools, grammar schools, high schools, colleges, and universities who use these as fundraising items. They're a great keepsake memento, and we're going to take a look at the process of making them right now. Claudia is getting everything all set up, and we are ready to print the blankets. We're going to put a white print on here. We're flooding our screen. The blanket that's ready to print is going underneath. There goes the ink. We're going to reflood the screen, put a nice coat on it again to make sure that we've got complete coverage. And here comes the completed product. Look at that massive print. Look at how nice it looks. It's going to go around, it's going to get flashed, and it's going to come back for its final hit, and then it's going to go through the dryer. All right, here we are at the other end of the dryer. We've taken that blanket off the press, and it is going to emerge shortly, ready to be folded and sent out to the customer. It's important to note that these blankets are 50-inch by 60-inch classic stadium blankets, and you can see that that's a massive print on the blanket. Let's take a look at a completed blanket over here. Look at how big that logo is on this blanket. Remember, that blanket is 60 inches wide, and you can see how much that logo is filling up the blanket. So if you're interested in a custom stadium blanket for your school, company, or organization, whether it's for a gift for employees or clients, or you're doing a fundraising program, please give us a call here at AMBRO Manufacturing in Flemington, New Jersey, and we're happy to help you out.